The 100% installation of a silent design timing chain is one of the quality features included on Jasper's remanufactured Ford 3.5-liter Duratec engine. Early Ford 3.5-liter Duratec engines came equipped with a standard roller-style timing chain. During Jasper's R&D process, it was discovered this style of chain is prone to excessive stretch, causing several problems, such as incorrect cam-to-crank timing or rough running conditions. It could also set off diagnostic trouble codes. Jasper's remanufacturing process for the Duratec includes the 100% installation of a silent design timing chain for increased chain durability. This ensures proper timing calibration, which improves the longevity of the engine. The 3.5-liter Duratec Silent Design chain update includes the replacement of the chain guides, the VVT, the latest design water pump, and the crank gear. It's all part of Jasper's way of providing you and your customer with the perfect product.